We see weather every day, but have you ever wondered what's really going on behind the scenes? Let's deconstruct it. It all starts with the atmosphere. Think of it as a huge, powerful engine. So how does it work? I love this quote. It perfectly captures it, right? So let's figure out what we're actually getting in a forecast. The invisible force driving everything is atmospheric pressure. Seriously, it's the starting point for all weather. Now, this pressure creates high and low systems. You can think of them like invisible hills and valleys in the sky. In low pressure, air goes up. Just remember L for lift. And that lift is what usually brings clouds and rain. With high pressure, the air sinks back down. This stops clouds from forming, giving us those clear, stable days. These pressure differences create huge players on the weather stage. We call them air masses. And where an air mass is born tells you its whole personality. Is it going to be warm, cold, wet, or dry? These air masses are all defined by their origin, and believe me, each one brings its own unique type of weather. So what happens when these giant air masses meet? They don't mix. They form a battle line called a front. A cold front is like a bulldozer bringing intense rain. A warm front, much more gradual and widespread. This conflict creates a storm. It's born, it matures, the fronts merge, and then eventually it fades away. Now, let's take these same forces and turn them up to 11. What do you get? A hurricane. But for a hurricane to form, it needs a very specific recipe. You need all 4 of these ingredients at once. And it doesn't just appear. A storm actually grows in stages, getting stronger and stronger based on its wind speed. Okay, so you get the building blocks now. The reward? We can finally decode a real weather map. This might look super complex, but it's just telling a story with all the pieces we've just learned about. And look, there's the low pressure, the cold front, the warm front, and the air masses all interacting. See? Weather isn't random. It's a system you can actually read. So, what story will tomorrow's map tell you?